Hello! I am the newest member of the royal family here to tell you my story. My wedding attracted millions of television viewers. People gathered in the streets around the telly to watch this historic event. We kissed on the balcony in response to the oohs and ahs of the crowd. We received extravagant gifts from around the world: jewels, gold, an island, a helicopter. Nothing prepared us for our final gift. A gift that exceeded my wildest expectations and made my dreams come true as never before. A one true gift, fit for a royal. A mini blizzard treat from Dairy Queen! The prince and I decided to share this treat with the world as a sign of domestic peace and goodwill. We traveled to the deserts, to the Arctic, to the forests, each time saying, "You've just received the mini blizzard treatment." Adored by all, we will continue to share our sweet treats with the world.